How to fix TikTok network error. If you got a problem like this one, the first thing what you can do, simply you can check over your Wi-Fi selection. Just go tap on that and hold on it. Take sure that you're connected to the right network. If you're not, simply just tap and hold on that selection. Go forget network, then get connected back on your site. In this case, you can simply get that restart on it, then turn it on back, and if there are something with the problem sessions, they will be right here. After you got a point on that selection, what you can do next, simply you can test your network on your browser. Go test your network on your browser, just type for and simply go on that first site selection, or you can go by speed test by Ookla, which is one of the best ways to get and take sure that selection. But also from here you can take that test because it is the same process with the same simple acts. Right here it will need to take some time to get the full site for the speedness of my internet. As you can see right over here, my MPI's selections are in good position. If there are also in numbers like this one, it will has a not side link section. As you can see, your internet speed is 25 Mbps. But that is info which could be shown by more info sessions. As you can see, you have unloaded 9 sections, you can get more site selections, but I have a good internet. If you have lower than 25 sections, that means that you have a bad internet connection, but if you have under 25, it is on a good quite selection. The next thing what you can do, it is going to your settings side on your phone. Just go there, and right after you get right here on the settings selections on your phone, you need to go on applications, and then on the search settings box you need to type for TikTok. Just go for TikTok, and when you get there you can simply go on storage, the third selection, and clear the cake for the full setup and taking that restart on that application.